What's up, guys? Today we'll be unboxing the Soundcore by Anchor earbuds. So I'm pretty excited to try these out because, first of all, I've never actually heard of them. I've also haven't seen their sound quality, so I'm excited to learn how that is. But I'm also going to be reading the stuff off this box right before the unboxing because I want people to actually see what they have. And it has stuff written on the side of the box, so might as well just read that out loud right now. First thing they say, it has automatic noise canceling that adapts to your environment. So I guess that means like just normal noise canceling, but I don't know if you can trigger it on and off. And it has powerful sound with 10mm drivers, a 10-hour playtime, 45 hours with the case, and it has crystal clear calls with 4 AI mics. So we're gonna have to see what those AI mics are, because like I don't know what they mean by that. And they have it comes with a charging case, small, medium, large ear tips, a USB-C cable, and the Soundcore P30i. So I guess that's the name of these earbuds. The case is also a two-in-one phone stand. So you can kind of just charge your earbuds, but then you can also put the case down, use your earbuds, and put your phone on the case. I didn't have scissors, but I went ahead and ripped it open. As you can see, the box has now been opened. It came with this quick start guide, um, the usual instruction manual, and then it also came with these. These are the small, medium, large ear tips that it said it would come with. They look like, there's, wait, where's the medium? Oh, so I guess there's only small and large sizes on these, because on the side of the box, it said that it would have small, medium, and large. If you can see the S and L, I don't know if you can, but yeah, it was supposed to have small, medium, and large, but I guess they didn't put that in there. This is the USB-C cable. Came in this compartment, and I'd taken the case out as well. So USB-C cable, and the case came in this little wrapper. I lost the footage of me unboxing it, so that's why I'm just showing all this to you now. This is the actual case. Now, the two-in-one charging stand, it's nothing too fancy. It's just a little thing that pops out, and you can rest your phone on it. The case is actually pretty light. I expected it to be a bit heavier. When you open it up, it's not magnetic. It's like just a normal spring that flips the case open whenever you make it go like this. Charging things right here. And then I think that is it. I can show you the earbuds right here. We've got the earbuds, and I think they already have ear tips on them. So the other ear tips are probably just for if you have different sized ears, and these ones don't fit. You can just change them out, and yeah, you're good to go. I'm gonna continue the setup, and it's gonna look a bit different because it's gonna be on a different day. But yeah, the next portion of this video is gonna be set up. I'm just going to test whether or not these are actually wireless charging, because that's one question that I have. Let's begin the wireless charging test. So I have my wireless charger over here. This is what I'm gonna use, and as you can see, it's got a little space for the earbuds right here. So I'm just going to put it right there. I have my doubts because I don't think this is actually magnetic, so it's not going to slide in place, but we'll see what happens. So I'm plugging it in. And then once I've plugged it in, I'm actually going to put the earbuds, which I've got right here, I'm going to put them on the slot, and they don't even stick. Yeah, I can confidently say this is not wireless charging. I think maybe some models, some other variations of this model are wireless charging, but this one, the P30i's, are not wireless charging. Next up, we have got the setup. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this phone, just go ahead, go to settings, and then click on Bluetooth. That's where I'll find all the connections that I can use for this. So we are in Bluetooth here, and make sure you have the green toggle on so that Bluetooth is enabled and you can connect to this. Now that we've got Bluetooth on, let's go ahead and search for other devices, because if you haven't connected this to these Soundcore P30i's before, it's going to show up as an unknown device, and basically once you connect it once, it's going to be added to my devices, and it's going to be really easy to find. So first thing I'm going to do, scroll down to other devices, and right now it's not showing anything, but it will in a second when I put these earbuds on, because that's a mistake a lot of people make. They just stare at the screen. They don't know where it's actually going to show up. But as soon as I put these on, it's going to play a little sound letting me know that they're on. And okay, so these are falling out of my ears because they are not made for me. But yeah, okay, so now I can click on the device. It's going to show up here, and as soon as I make it connect, it plays a different sound right here in my earbud. And yeah, you can just play different kinds of music from your phone, and that's all gonna come through here. All right, thank you guys for watching till the very end, and make sure to subscribe, like, and leave a comment letting me know what you think about this video. And I think this is gonna be my last unboxing in a long time. I'm gonna be making some different kinds of videos, trying out different genres, obviously within the tech field, but I'm going to be doing different things. Like, I think my next one might be a tutorial or of some sort. So yeah, see you in the next video.